Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, this was a very impromptu post-birthday pinky girly look. So if you want to see what I used, how I got this look, my thoughts on everything, what I loved and what I hated, just keep on watching. So again, this is a very impromptu video. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take my lip oil. This is LA Colors lip oil in the shade Dragon Fruit. This is a newer find to me from Dollar Tree. I did mention it in a haul. However, I have owned these before and they're actually really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to just give me a little bit of hydration to the lips before we go in with everything else. It's a nice like lightweight lip oil. It doesn't really last too long, but it's really nice. Definitely put all of this together last night. Just wanted to film, especially because I have my new nails on, and these are also from Dollar Tree, but these are from the brand Be Color, and these are so cute. These are just their pink jelly nails, and so far so good. I'm living, so hopefully they don't break off. Move on to primer. I did choose two of my Hello Kitty things. They're just so cute. When I think of like cute and girly videos, I think of Hello Kitty. So this is the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Celebrate Brightening Essence Serum, and it looks like so. I literally use this all the time, as you can see, so it's definitely showing now, but this is actually really nice. And if you guys watched my video with my sister, she also chose this product in her pulling when I did her her makeup. So I love this because it does have like little balls, as you can see, like colored balls, but they do pop and sink into the skin as well as you blend. And as you can see, it just gives you the most beautiful like luminous look to the face. Again, this is just like a serum, so it's meant to like hydrate your skin, give you a little bit of the good vibes. What is that on my brow? I completely forgot about brows. Who am I? This is the SHEGLAM Brows in Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. This is a new one. I just went ahead and opened it, so it is nice and fresh. I just take the other end and start filling out the sparse areas. I'm telling you, this is so quick and easy. I will forever, unless I find a dupe for this product, I will forever repurchase this. So good. Now we can return to the regularly scheduled programming of serum. So next, what was happening? I literally never forget my eyebrows, but I guess today, since it's so early, it happened. But I'm just rubbing it into the other side now. Again, really nice and hydrated. I'm just going to take the excess on the forehead. And again, those little balls can be a little annoying, but it is what it is. You see, like, it just gives you a beautiful like natural glow from within vibe. It's really pretty. I also went ahead and threw this in. So if you guys didn't know, yesterday was my birthday. Today is September 8th when I'm filming this. Not sure when this is going to be going up, girl. I literally, you know, pre-film a lot. So I just thought, like, girl, let's just throw in a bunch of like favorite products and some new products just to vibe together. And also, I did use these two in my Get Ready With Me on Instagram for my birthday specifically. I picked these two, so I just went ahead and added this one again. This is a Bebella All Day Seal Face Primer. And it's basically just a silicone kind of moment, but it honestly looked really nice on the face. It didn't peel at all, so it's just like a thicker kind of moment. So I just throw it, I go ahead and throw that like right in the T-zone area and just blend that in. For actual foundation, I went ahead and chose the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. This one here is in the shade medium 330W. You guys know this is a longtime favorite. Don't know why, but it wears really nicely on my skin type, and I just love it, and I know that I can trust it. So I will be having a long day, so this is what I'm choosing for today. Let me see how much I want, because it can be a little yellow vibes, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that right into the skin. It is yellowy vibes, that's the only thing, but I love the coverage so much and the wearability that I don't even care. I always wear it. All right, that was the perfect amount. Love how it looks. All right, so I did go ahead and bring in some of my other favorites, which is the Elf Halo Glow Wands. I love these so much. You cannot pry them out of my hands. I love these. And I also do have the YABAOLIAN Cheek Kiss Liquid Beauty Blush from Temu. So again, I do have the Elf Halo Glow Wands. I'm just going to go ahead and use this to contour the face. Again, this is just to prolong the makeup wear, especially if I'm going to be wearing this for a long time or whatever. So I like using mine in the shade medium tan. Girl, I feel like I'm almost out of this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that right in before it dries. I wasted no time here, girl. And I love that, like, it blends really easily, yet it doesn't lose its pigment. That's what I love. I hear a lot of like mixed reviews on those products. Let me know what your thoughts on the Elf Halo Glow Wands. I love them. They're so good. You see how easily it blends? It's just so good. All right, so again, like I was saying, I did purchase. It was free from Temu, and this was part of like a $20 credit or whatever. So this is the Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush in the shade 02. So it is more on like the orangey side, but we're just gonna go ahead and use it because I haven't used it at all. And although it looks orangey in the thing, I know on the website it looks more pink, because again, this is a shade 02. I know I've seen it on there and it was very pinky vibes on the website. Oh, it's like a red pink, I guess. It got pigmented really fast, a little too fast for me. I did overdo it though. I over applied it, but cute. All right, thankfully it blends in really nicely, and as you can see, it just leaves you a little bit of a tint on the skin. That's cute. And be careful if you purchase this, because girl, it is super pigmented. But again, this one here is in 02. All right, lastly for creams, I'm going to take the Elf Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This one here is in Rose Quartz. Girl, I love all three of these. They're amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right on the cheekbones. Love these. They're so good. Yes. Almost gives you like that glass look. It doesn't look glittery at all. It just looks so beautiful. Very nice, like, again, glow from within kind of vibes. So we're just going to move right into concealer. I have the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. As I mentioned, e.l.f. literally a favorite brand for me. I would never have guessed that. I don't know why. I just never really thought of e.l.f. like that, but girl, like, the more that I noticed, I literally use their products all the time. So this is the one in medium beige. I love the doe foot applicator. Love the color for me. Love the coverage. It's exactly what I like. So I'm just going to take that right under the eyes and just blend that right in. I also like to just take that on the lid as well, just to act as a little bit of an eyeshadow primer vibe. And it just blends out so quickly, so easily, but it does give me coverage as well. Love, and it works really well with the CC cream. Okay, going right in with powder. This is not pink or really cutesy vibes, but this is just my favorite at the moment, the NSNS powder from Temu. I've mentioned this so many times on my channel, literally hit pan already. So you know I love something, I literally use it all the time. I'm gonna quickly just set those under eyes, and I'm just gonna use this for all over the face as well. This is literally what I trust to keep me matte throughout the day. It is so good. So I like to first take it with a puff in the T-zone area, just to press that right in. Gives me some mattification. And again, as the powders and everything wears off throughout the days, I still have my liquid products living on the bottom, so I'm always covered. Again, taking that same exact product. This one does come in 2 different colors on the website, so I literally always use 2. Yeah, there's one that's more like neutral toned, but I like the one that has more of that yellowish undertone to it. So I'm just taking that all over the face. All right, so we're just going to jump it right into face products as well. We have 2 of the Beauty Creations products. Literally love these. This is a Perfecting Bronzer Matte Neutral in the shade Down to Earth. So I think I just used this recently. It looks like so. Love this color. So I'm just going to take that first, actually, now that we're here. I also did take these in that birthday video, a little short video. It is here on shorts. I also have their pressed blush. This one here is in Vibin with You, which again is just their pink shade. This is the only one that I own from this line, but I am planning on purchasing more because it's so nice. I love the quality of the products. But also, again, Beauty Creations is definitely a top favorite brand for me. Obviously, you can't love every single thing, but I really love, like, most of their products are really good. So I'm going to take some on the bridge of the nose, on the cheeks. All right, so if you did watch that mystery unbagging with my sister, we did get this highlight. This is a Studio Wonder baked highlighter. It looks like so. It is more on the pinky side in the shade Luxe. So it's like, girl, let's just try it out today. Look at how beautiful that looks. Cute. Very different in person. Usually, like, when I look at the viewfinder, I can see the glowiness. In person, I'm definitely having to, like, build it, but it is a baked formula, so not really concerned about that. But look at that color. That's really pretty. Again, this one here is in Luxe. Cute. I think I ended up decluttering any highlight that looks like this from my collection. I don't know why. I've never really been into baked highlights like that, but girl, this one is just so beautiful. It is pinky vibes, but on the face, honestly, it doesn't really look pink. It just looks more like champagne-y, maybe a rose gold kind of moment. It looks like it would be a little too dark for my skin tone, but it looks really nice. And then even when I look forward, you can kind of still see the highlight. Cute. I am just going back with my brow pencil. Just gonna bring these back to life a little bit. I wouldn't neglect the brows after all the powders and such, even if it's just to, like, throw on some, like, brow gel, whatever, because as you can see, let me show you. This one just looks more there, more in the moment. I might change my mind in a few years, who knows, but this one just looks like a little, like it's there. There's powder on it, you know, like, I just like to bring it back to life a little bit, kind of deepen them up. But I know brows are it's such a, like, an intimate thing and so different for everybody. Literally, I don't know how people do, like, videos on brows. Watch me do a video about brows soon, who knows. But it's such a, like, a unique thing. Everybody's brows are different. Literally, what works for me might not work for you, so keep that in mind. Always keep trying different things with your brows. Don't give up, girl, because we've all been there. But literally, like, when it comes down to shaping, when it comes down to filling in, everybody's so different with what makes them comfortable with their face shape and everything. Yeah, so don't be discouraged if you're still in the unknown parts of your brow journey. I definitely feel like it's a journey. You never get perfect brows. I don't feel like my brows are ever perfect, but I've definitely gotten to a point, like, such moments like right now, where I feel comfortable with my brows, and this is a good brow day. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know if I trust it to keep my brows on all day though, but it's cute, it's pink, it's vibing with the video. So this is Ulta Beauty Brow Gel. Literally, I've had this for, I think, since December last year. I think it was part of a advent calendar, now that I remember. It has, like, a giant doe foot little spoolie situation. So I'm just going to take that right through the brows. Doesn't really have that crazy of a hold, but we're going to use it today. So now that we're here, I haven't been doing lower lash shadow for work. I am going to work today, but I'm thinking, since my birthday was yesterday, I want to do a pinky look. I want to do something smoky. I'm going to wear lashes. Why not? Let's go in with the waterproof gel eyeliner in black. Love this, so good. I think I want to go right into shadow. We have the Glam Light Barbie palette. I've talked about this so much. Literally, I think I talked about it in a favorites video. I talked about it on TikTok. Literally love this palette, and this is their Dream Summer palette. Literally has the most beautiful pinky tones. Has a nice mirror as well. there's a look at the color story, girl. Vibes galore. Look at that. So we're definitely going to stick to more of the pinky shades up here. So I think I'm going to take the shade Play Day because it's just so pigmented. Just going to use that little bit to transition. I don't want a crazy look, girl. Look at how beautifully it blends out though. Super easy. I'm going to take the shade Unstoppable. How beautiful is this pink? And literally unstoppable. I literally started watching Kim Possible for some reason. We do have Disney Plus, and I literally started watching Kim Possible. I started thinking about the song the other day, and I was like, girl, why not watch it? It's so good. Even now, like, I'm literally a grown woman watching Kim Possible, but it doesn't feel like that. I feel like it gives me like nostalgia vibes watching it. It's so good. But my inner child was literally living just the comedy in those shows. The shows like back in the days on Disney were so good. I don't know what's happening to their new shows, but literally, like, go watch Kim Possible. It's so good. And the song, the intro, so long. And literally, I think if they were to make a song like that nowadays, children's like attention span would not, even adults, girl, attention spans are so minimal now that song was super long, almost felt like a music video, but it's so good. Such a good song. Even if you just like play the song in your car and don't even watch the show, girl, amazing. Okay, I think I'm gonna do purple on the lower lash line. This is the shade Bestie. I think I kind of want to take that on the lower lash line. I almost want to do like lavender on the lid, because these lavender shades, I'm telling you, girl. Let me give you guys an up close of this palette. Look at how beautiful this is. Like, the shimmer formula is everything, and the actual shades are so beautiful. So I'm thinking I kind of want to do How I Roll, this shade right here. Almost like this one here. It has like a purple pink vibe as well. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them. There's a look at the two. Yeah, this one's definitely giving me pinky purple vibes, and this one lavender is just so beautiful. Kind of living for the pink purple. So I'm just gonna take that on the lid. So stunning. I'm telling you, these shimmers are almost like foiled, and they look really wet on the lid as well. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen. This one here is in black. Love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing with this product. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Colors Fully Amped Full Volume Mascara. Literally haven't used this in quite a while, but I love the wand of this product. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right onto the lashes. I am going to throw on some falsies. So I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but girl, this is such a good mascara. Literally from Family Dollar. I literally keep saying literally. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my One Size lip liner. This one here is in Code Word. Literally forgot I own this. Literally keep saying literally. Why? I'm also going to take my Remy Rose liquid lipstick in the shade Christy. It's just the most beautiful, like, pinky color. Stunning. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to take my Beauty Glaze lip gloss. This one here is in the shade Pitaya. I don't know. In the shade 105 Pitaya. Beauty Glaze from Temu. Love. So that looks like we're about done. Lastly, we're just going to take the Creme Shop Hello Kitty setting spray and priming spray. Literally have never used it as a primer. Love it as a setting spray. So honestly, I don't know if it keeps me matte. It's not like what its intentions are, but I do want this makeup to last. But for now, I'm just going to spray this on. Oh, let's just do it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really love everything that I used today. Love the look, love the lips. Let me know your thoughts again. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.